Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your courses in Blackboard Ultra. Whether you're new to NDSU or just starting with Blackboard, finding your courses is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, go to the NDSU website at ndsu.edu/start. Then from the quick links, select Blackboard. Next, select my BB login. Type in your user ID and your password. Click on login and accept the duo push. After you log in, you'll see the Blackboard Ultra homepage. To view your courses, select courses from the left navigation menu. Your enrolled courses will appear on the right side of the page. Courses are typically organized by semester and year, making them easy to find. If you have several courses, use the search bar to quickly locate a specific class. You can also filter your courses or change the display view based on your preferences. Simply select a course card to open a course. If you don't see one of your courses, it might be that the instructor has not made the course available to students yet. If the semester are started and you're unable to locate your course, contact your instructor or the NDSU help desk for assistance. When logged into your course, the content page shows you your assignments and course materials. The calendar shows you the dates that are important for the course. The announcement shows you any announcement given by the instructor. The discussion tab allows you to see the discussions during the course. The grade book helps you to see your grades. The messages include messages from your instructor or student in the class. The groups helps you to see the group you are in for the particular course. And the achievements helps you to see the achievement that is given during the course. Thank you so much for watching. You can always reach out to us via our website at www.ndsu.edu/it/help/idc. You can also contact us using our phone number, email address, or submit a ticket via www.ndsu.edu/it/help.